Yo guys, what's going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today we're back out on the Razor. Goal of today's video is to do a new top speed test. So if you saw last video, I installed the new Electro & Co EC4P V2. This is a 14,000 watt motor. It came with a True Moto Noisy Cricket controller from Electro & Co. It has its whole own app that you see right here. But goal today is to do a top speed video because we've yet to do one. Let's get a quick wheelie in first. Whew! Thing feels mint. Swerving on them. Whew! We also did an extended swing arm from Electro & Co, so it extended about 2 to 3 inches. So that is also on. We've got a welded freewheel, so we'll see what this thing can do. So guys, we're headed over to a nice street spot that should allow me to do my top speed test. But on the way there, I want to talk about a sick company, which is Saints of Speed. Saints of Speed makes super sweet gloves. So the gloves I'm wearing right now are from Saints of Speed. Shout out Saints of Speed. They actually sent me a couple different gloves over to try out and review. So right now I'm rocking the 70s gloves, and they're super nice. Now one thing I'll say is I actually bought Saints of Speed gloves like 2 years ago, so long before. It's my famous Krispy Kreme gloves. So it was really cool having reached out to Saints of Speed that they sent me these 4 pairs. They also sent me the Aloha, which is a sort of Hawaiian tropical pair. They also sent me a black paisley glove, which is just a paisley design. So it's black gloves, white paisley design, super cool. They sent me the Glazers, my favorite Krispy Kreme style gloves. They sent me these 70s. I love the gloves. They're so sweet. So I already look like a clown riding around on this little mini bike. So why not one-up it and get some really bright kind of catch your eye type gloves? So I love them. Now the other thing I love about these gloves is they're not like cloth gloves. So they're actually, I think, what you would call elastic. So they're elastic gloves, meaning that they stretch to your hands and fingers. So that makes them really comfortable. I can't stand when you have like those cloth gloves that don't stretch and it feels like your fingers are being like smothered. These wrap around your fingers tight, but they're elastic, so they move with your fingers. So they're super comfortable. I plan on actually giving one of them away. So I'm gonna give one away on my Patreon. If you're not a member, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. But my Patreon, it's $4.99 a month. There's like 10 members in it right now, but none of them are paid. So if you become a paid member, shit, I can't go this way. You have a 100% chance as of right now to win the gloves. But let me know in the comments which gloves I should auction off. I'm not gonna do these because I've already like sweating them and made them all gross. But Glazers, Aloha, and Black Paisley, let me know which one in the comments you want me to auction off. And I will do that. You join the Patreon, it's $4.99 a month. It gets you early access to all of my videos. It also gets you a Discord so you can chat with me. And yeah, it gets you entered into free giveaways like this. This is the first one I'm doing, but there's gonna be plenty more to come. So again, thanks Saints of Speed. I love these gloves. I'm gonna keep wearing all of them. Join my Patreon, get entered for free. I'm gonna draw it on December 10th. My mom explicitly told me not to do this, yet here I am. All right, I'm gonna move you guys down a little bit so you can see this better. But let's do this top speed on the Razor. Oh. Guys, it's hard to explain because on video this probably just looks like it's not that scary, but you guys gotta understand, I'm on a 100-pound freaking child's electric bicycle. I mean, I know it's fully upgraded, battery, suspension and all, but it still doesn't feel like a heavy dirt bike, you know? So I think top speed there was 56. I'll take it. Let's do a little circle wheelie. Extended swing arm won't stop us from circles. See guys, this app is so awesome because you can just adjust this immediately on the fly. Back down to 11.5, and torque we're gonna bring up. Let's do 335, see how that works. Austin told me to bring up the torque and I'd like it better for wheelies, so. But it's just so cool, guys. Like, this is next level. You can just change this all on the fly, like sitting here. Oh yeah, it already feels torque here. Oh. See, I always notice the torque the most when you're at balance point and when you give a little throttle input and then it pushes you way back past balance point. I'm like, oh, okay. That's where the torque is. Just getting swervy on them. 76. Traffic actually isn't too bad right now. It's because it's like 4 o'clock. Well, I don't know. Usually it's pretty bad at this point, but I don't know what's going on. See, that's where you need to be to hand drag. Woo! And this is 3 inches longer now, so. This thing donut's so easy now too, it's crazy. Oh yeah, but 56 is what we got out of this. That's not bad, I'll take it. Yes, it can definitely do 60, but I don't have the space to do it, nor the desire, to be honest. What I really like about this motor is that you can just adjust the power on the fly, the torque, all that jazz. So it's really cool, and plus, you know, I'm not even gonna run it at the highest power mode. I'm just gonna run it at like 11,000, 11,500, and it'll be perfect for me. And it's good because then it'll still, you know, it could take more abuse, it could take more power, which is good. So when I'm ripping it just at 11 or 11.5, it's not going to destroy or overheat the motor, which is great. I rarely show you guys this, but this is Kelly Drive over there, Boathouse Row. Art Museum's right there. You got a nice little waterfall. Dude, this thing is so easy to wheelie now. It's actually insane. We can get it up to speed on a wheelie, like up to 30, 31, 33, 35. Thing rips, man. Can't recommend Electro & Co. enough. Customer service, hella good. They know what they're doing. It's plug and play kits. I get tons of questions on like, what do you use to upgrade your bike? Where'd you get the stuff? It's all from Electro & Co. Woo! Go to the light, baby. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, the only purpose was just for me to go out and see what top speed I could get. This definitely isn't just the top speed of the bike. The bike probably does 60 plus, it definitely does. But I just don't have the room nor the desire to ride it that fast, man. Like, oh, I just get scared. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll link all the parts to this bike, the build, the new kit, the controller. But also, again, thank you to Saints of Speed for sending out all those gloves. I will be giving away those pairs on Patreon. I even wore them all in the little clips to show you guys, so you can maybe sell them on YouTube, or sell them on eBay for so much money, because, you know, I'm just so popular. But you gotta join the Patreon. It's $4.99 a month. Join for $4.99, win the gloves, and then cancel it. You got gloves for a 30% discount then. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I got plenty of content to come. New forks going on, new ride videos. I got a new whip to carry the bike, so stay tuned for all that. Thank you so much for subscribing. As always, I will catch you next time though. Peace.